Happy New Year. You're watching Shoot Your Shot TV. We're reviewing the Converse SGA Shai Gilgeous-Alexander Pro Leather Lift. Can't wait to get into it. Let's take a look at the shoes. Here they are, the Converse SGA Shai Gilgeous-Alexander Pro Leather Lift in that white, off-white colorway. Off the bat, it looks like a designer shoe that you would find in luxury stores like Bloomingdale's, Saks Fifth, Barney's. But no, it's a lifestyle shoe by Converse. They've been killing it lately. I've been looking for a white shoe that I could wear every day. I was gravitating towards these because I really like the minimal look to it. The details and the quality that went into it, you know, they're simple, but they're there. Let's start with the top of the shoe. You have this sock liner right here, softer leather material with gold and flower print. It's pretty cool. I'm not sure what the meaning is behind it. And then even in the insole, you have more of the flower print there. Taking it to the tongue, it's this nice quality premium soft leather here. I really like the quilted leather on the side panels of the shoe. It's pretty cool. There's not too much branding, there's not too many colorways going on. You do have the small SGA hit right here for Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. My favorite part of the upper is that the star logo and the other Converse logos aren't embossed onto the leather, but they're actually stitched on, giving it that patchwork look. I do really like the elevated midsole. It's not too chunky where it makes it look like a platform. It's just right. And then you got some smooth traction right here on the bottom. Overall, it's a clean looking shoe. For those of you who don't know, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander plays for the Oklahoma City Thunder. He was originally drafted by the Los Angeles Clippers, but was involved in that Paul George trade a few years back. Personally, he's one of my favorite basketball players. I personally collect his basketball cards. You know, I'm trying to get all the PSA 10s. On court, he wears the All-Star Evo BB, and he's known to wear other Converse basketball shoes. I think the Converse basketball line is up and coming. They have SGA, they have Draymond Green, one of my favorite players, and they have Kelly Oubre as well. A lot of other NBA players are wearing the Converse on court. I hear good things about them, so hopefully we can try on some of those down the line. This is the second collaboration between Converse and SGA. They originally did a pro leather without the elevated midsole, and it came in a predominantly thunder blue colorway with white accents. That shoe released for $100, but resale was anywhere from $180 to $230, and I didn't want to pay resale, so when I heard he was coming out with these, had to get him. He's a very flashy basketball player. He gets buckets, and off the court, he's very fashionable. Follow him on one of my Instagram pages, and he shouted out one of my Instagram pages, 85 Jordan 1. When he had his pair of Jordan 1s from 85, he tagged us, and that was awesome. So shout out to SGA. Let's go ahead and see how these look on foot. That was our signature on-foot look. Prep check really quick. I'm wearing the Nike Air Force One Ivory Snake, my favorite Air Force One. We've previously reviewed those. Feel free to check it out by clicking the links below. Over here at Shoot Your Shot TV, we like to take the shoe and break it down into 3 important categories: comfort, style, and price. And we give it an overall rating at the end. So as far as comfort goes, it fits pretty similar to, you know, like a Stan Smith or a Shell Toe or a Puma Clyde, or even like a Nike Blazer Low. If you've had those shoes, you're pretty familiar with the comfort level in those. I would like to say that these are a little bit more comfortable because they have a wider toe box. The elevated midsole, it feels good. It makes me feel a little taller without losing any stability. Sizing, these are a 9.5. I went true to size. If you want a little bit more room in the toe, you could go up a half size, but I feel like if I wear these a couple times, break them in, they're gonna fit nicely. So I went true to size, 9.5. They could be a little bit more comfortable, but for a lifestyle shoe like this, you kind of know what to expect and you get what you pay for. Comfort, I'm gonna give it a 3 out of 5. Moving on to style, I think the shoe is very simple, very minimal, but it has just enough flash and just enough razzle dazzle to catch eyes. It's not your average all white shoe. You have the quilted leather, which I really like. You have the patchwork with the Converse logos, which is awesome. You have the embossed SGA logo right here. Classic white shoe, can't go wrong. I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5 as far as style. Moving on to price, these retail for $100. I got them for $100. Wasn't any hype around them. They did eventually sell out, and I do see resale going up a little, like 20 to 30 bucks here, but not much. If you're looking for a great lifestyle shoe for $100 or less, this might be it for you. That's a price point we love to live in, $100 or less. Price, 5 out of 5. Bringing us to a grand total of 13 out of 15 on the Shoot Your Shot rating system. And I can't wait to wear these regularly with more crazy denim, you know what I'm saying? That's our episode for today. Just want to shout out you guys for joining us. We got tons of new episodes in the tuck. We got some older episodes that we forgot about that will also be given to you. Just want to say Happy New Year to you all. And thank you for rocking with this channel. We're going on, our 3rd or 4th year, who knows? We're just gonna keep putting out content for you guys. Shout out to our affiliates, the Game Ball Podcast. Make sure you click the links below, check out the pod. Shout out all the homies. Shout out to C-Rock Behind the Lens. I'm your host, Just Paul, and we got more stuff in store. Shoot Your Shot TV, we out.